So today we will be connecting a GE Z-Wave smart switch with a Logitech Harmony Home Hub, which has been upgraded with a Harmony Home Hub extender. When you buy a GE Z-Wave smart switch, the box will contain the following items: the GE Z-Wave smart switch, a product manual, and a flyer showing the GE Z-Wave product line. The GE Z-Wave smart switch receives its power by plugging it into a power socket. We open our Logitech Harmony app on our mobile device. We tap on Devices. We tap on Edit Devices. We tap on Add Device. We tap on Zigbee Z-Wave devices. We proceed by plugging in the GE Z-Wave smart switch into a power socket. We press on the GE Z-Wave action button found at the front of the GE Z-Wave smart switch. The Logitech Harmony app will indicate that it has found the GE Z-Wave smart switch. We tap on Plug 1. We rename the device name to Light as we plan to connect our GE Z-Wave smart switch with a lamp. We close this window. We tap on Done. For voice control, we need to include our GE Z-Wave smart switch into an activity defined within the Harmony app. So we tap on Activities. We tap on Edit Activities. We tap on Add Activity. We name our activity Light. And we select an icon. We tap on Next. We select our light, which is linked with our GE Z-Wave smart switch. We tap on Next. We tap on Next. We select our light for the activity start. And the default state of our light should be on when it starts. We tap on Next. On Next. We select our light for activity end, and the light state should be on off when the activity ends. We tap on Next. We tap on Next. We have hereby successfully paired the GE Z-Wave smart switch with the Logitech Harmony Home Hub with extender.